Great. Welcome to the third session of our monthly series, right? Today we will talk about Binance loan, right? The same way you can borrow from your bank or you can borrow from organizations, you can actually also borrow on Binance, borrow any crypto that you want. You can borrow Ethereum, you can borrow Bitcoin, you can borrow dollar. In fact, you can borrow virtually about 10, more than 10 cryptocurrencies on Binance, right? Instead of going through all those rigorous processes of, let's say you want to borrow 10 million naira now from bank, there are a lot of processes and some credit check that you will have to go through, right? But on Binance, it is not that way. So how can you borrow easily, right? And when should you borrow? These are some of the things we will discuss today. So, but for you to, because most people mention that they don't know the borrow platform. So, for you to access the borrow platform, all you need to do is to open your Binance app. Remember, if you don't have a Binance app, quickly register, all right, and complete your KYC. If you are yet to complete it, complete your KYC so that you can enjoy the full functionalities of Binance, right? So how do you access loan on Binance? All you need to do is as soon as you open the Binance app, you click on more, right? So when you go to the home page, you click on more, right? So when you do that, you will scroll down. Keep scrolling till you see crypto loan. Let's see if we can see that. So the crypto loan functionalities will actually enable you to borrow on Binance without much credit check. So the crypto loan is under finance. Here it is, right? So when you click on crypto loans, you will see that if you need money urgently and you already have some coins that you don't want to sell off easily, you can use those coins as a collateral and you can start borrowing. So let's say example, let's click on start borrowing. So as you can see, I want to borrow. BUSD means you want to borrow dollar. You can also click on that BUSD, right? And change it to any coin that you want to borrow. You can see you can borrow one each if other, at least. In fact, a lot of coins. I think there are more than 20, 30 coins that you can borrow, right? Let's say, for example, I want to borrow ADA. I will choose ADA, right? The next step is you need to choose which coin do you want to use as a collateral, right? Binance wouldn't want a situation where you will not be able, with the help of this collateral, Binance will know how much they can give out to you and how much you'll be able to pay back. Say Binance will not want a situation where you will not be able to borrow, and I mean where you will not be able to pay back what you've borrowed, right? So you need to drop a collateral. Let's say, for example, you have BNB currently, and BNB is dumping, right? And you don't want to sell at loss, but you need money urgently. You can use that your BNB to borrow ADA or to borrow BUSD. Me, I always borrow BUSD because BUSD is a staple coin. So I can search for BUSD. If I have not seen it, I can search for it. BUSD is a dollar, right? Then I will now, let's say for example, I have about 20 BNB. I will just import 20 BNB here. Then the next step is I will need to specify how many days do I want to repay the loan. That is the loan term. How many days will it take you to repay the loan? It's very important you are sure about the number of days that you need. As you can see, Binance is very, very flexible in extent that you can borrow and repay in 7 days. You can choose 14 days, 30 days, 90 days, even as high as 180 days. 180 days is about 6 months. It means you can borrow money from Binance now and you can hold it for as high as 180 days before you will start paying back, right? As you can see, they've already shown me that if I drop down my 20 BNB as a collateral, that I can borrow almost $3,500. $3,500 is almost is almost 3 million, 3 million naira. Imagine borrowing 3 million naira now without much credit check, without much paperwork and all that, right? So this is great, right? So I'll read the terms and conditions. If I accept, I will click on I accept and click on confirm. The 3,500 BUSD will be transferred to me immediately. And funny enough, I can also stake this BNB and be making some money, some small money. So as you can see, if I'm supposed to have paid $86, $86.2 as an interest at the end of 180 days. But because by BNB is a stakeable coin, I'm only paying back $48, which is great. So it means I think I've offset 50% of the interest rate, which is great, right? So try it out and let me know what you think, right? But before that, remember there are advantages of borrowing. So some of the advantages, for example, the market is dumping. You already used your money to buy a coin, to buy BNB, for example, or any other coin, and the market is dumping and you need money urgently. With the help of this Binance Borrow, with this crypto loan, you can drop that BNB that you already have as a collateral and you collect some money. And funny enough, this money that I've collected, this 3 million naira that I just collected now, I can use it to do any transaction that I want to do. It means I can use this coin to trade, that BUSD that I just borrowed. I can decide to use it to trade. I can decide to withdraw it and put it in my bank account. I can also decide to withdraw it and use it to start up a new business or to help my existing business. I can also decide to withdraw it and buy anything that I want to buy, physical product that I want to buy, right? You can even buy a car, you can buy anything, you can use that loan to do anything. So this is one good thing about it, right? And if you've chosen a stakeable collateral coin as a collateral, right? You will see that you will offset the interest rate. As you can see, I'm supposed to, for that 3 million naira, I'm supposed to pay back extra 60,000 naira at the end of 6 months. But because BNB is my collateral and BNB is a stakeable coin, right? I'm only paying back 30,000 naira, which is great, right? So go ahead, try this out and let me know what you think. Do not forget that every month we host an NFT giveaway session where we reward all our loyal customers, all our loyal viewers, right? Right? And at the end, we give out NFTs to 10 lucky winners, right? And that NFT, as you may know, the lowest price, the floor price is $200. So $200 can go a long way. $200 is almost 120,000 naira. It's a good money to earn in a month. So try out this and let me know what you think. Fill in the form, send the required screenshot, fill in the form, and let me know. And you may be lucky to be going home with our 120,000 naira this month. Okay, so bye bye and keep being awesome. Remember, stay safe. Goodbye.